Hello, everyone. This is going to be a unboxing video to my new phone, which I got today, which is this thing right here. And I'm going to do an unboxing. Called Monday. Got it today, which is a Friday, and it came 4 days. That is pretty quick. It came by FedEx, Federal Express. So if I got it in the mail, like post office, it would take me at least a week to get this, but FedEx, 4 days. Pretty dang quick. So I'm going to do an unboxing right now. Comes with an instruction book, paper. Here's the phone box. And I shall open it from the top. Oh. Okay, I see how it does now. It comes with a SIM card right there. That must be the SIM card. So oh, it comes with, sorry for the long silence there. It comes with a Meet Your Moto G pamphlet, a terms and conditions paper. I gotta use my magnifying glass to read that. Safety and what the regularity and regulatory safety and legal thing. It comes with this, whatever that is. If anyone knows, please let me know. Comes with its own USB charging plug. And also the cord. Empty box right here. And, whoa, well, here it is, the phone. Wrapped up in very slippery plastic. Heck. Wow. Whoa. Here's the back of the phone. And the front. Very shiny. Does it have one of those? There it is. My new phone. It has two cameras and a flashlight. So I'm going to have to call my insurance wireless phone company to help me set this thing up. So just wanted to let you know that I got my new phone. Hope it's nice. I took a picture of it with for Facebook and Twitter and whatnot. This video is going to go to my TikTok viewers, my YouTube channel, and to my Facebook. Post a link to my YouTube video. Post to the post this video to YouTube and post the link of this video to my Facebook page. So here it is, and I will see you later. Be safe. Goodbye.